The Badi Bata program have been conducted in the year 2016-17. The program was successfully conducted and increased 12% of enrollment in government schools, and also decreased in the private schools is 7%. Schools also opened during the year 16-17 with the English medium. This is 343 schools were opened. Midday meals also supplying to all the schools with Sannabiyam. Uniforms also supplying to all the schools with 2 pairs. Swachha Padashala also conducted in all schools. Harita Haram also conducted in all schools. Lively plant is 85%. Digital classes also conducting. KGBV schools are functioning with good results. All the girl children are very active. Bhavita centers also functioning with the help of the SSA, supplying tricycles, hearing aids, and orthopedically disabled kids also we are supplying. By these best practices, we are trying to increase the enrollment.
Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan aimed at the universalization of elementary education, making education free and compulsory to children between the ages of 6 to 14, is being implemented successfully in all the institutions run by government and local bodies. SSA is offering an opportunity to meet basic educational needs, to open schools where necessary and to strengthen government schools and to improve enrollment. A total of 89,393 students are enrolled in 971 schools in this district. SSA has strengthened schools by providing additional classrooms, toilets, drinking water, TLM grants, maintenance grants, and school improvement grants. Some schools which earlier were closed due to zero enrollment are now reopened and are running. We got tremendous response to our special enrollment program Badi Bata, launched in June 2016. A large number of students in private schools joined in government schools, resulting in growth by 12%. The most important ambition of enrolling children and providing quality basic education to all children aged between 6 and 14 years, as stipulated in SSA, has also been realized.
My name is Sanjana. I am a girl. I am 6 years old.
2 pairs of uniforms to ensure social equality among students. Free textbooks to all the students. Our teachers are designing innovative teaching learning materials for effective teaching and for student-centered learning.
The picture.
The best practices and the facilities provided by SSA have become transformation tools to provide quality education to children aged between 6 and 14 and have strengthened schools in the district.
జిల్లా పరిషత్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాల మర్కుక్లో ఈ సంవత్సరము దాదాపు 56 మంది ప్రైవేట్ విద్యార్థులను పాఠశాలను చేర్చుకొని గత సంవత్సరం కంటే కూడా మరి ఎక్కువ మందిని స్ట్రెంత్ను పాఠశాలను చేర్చుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఈ సంవత్సరం 412 మంది విద్యార్థులతోటి పాఠశాల రన్ అవుతుంది.
Separate toilets for boys and girls at almost all schools constructed and maintained by appointing a scavenger. Awareness on hand wash and adequate facilities for hand wash for hygiene of children. Nutritious midday meals with fine rice to all the school-going children. Prominent importance for physical fitness. Students represented at state and national level in Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, volleyball, boxing, yoga, karate, etc. Adoption of Swachh Pathshala program at all schools to ensure clean and green. And also distribution of 5 saplings to every student. Over 85% of the plants have survived. Under Haritaharam tree plantation program of a large number of saplings in the school premises and also distribution of 5 saplings to every student. Over 85% of the plants have survived. Well-furnished laboratories and libraries.
దీన్ని ల్యాండ్ సెట్ అంటాము. ఈ ల్యాండ్ సెట్ సహాయంతో మనము ఒక్కసారి ప్రెస్ చేస్తే మనకు బ్లడ్ వస్తుంది. ఈ బ్లడ్ని మనం ఒక 3 డ్రాప్స్
కార్బన్స్ ఎట్లా అరేంజ్మెంట్ అయి ఉంటాయి డార్క్ షేప్ లో ఒకదాంతో ఒకటి 5 లేయర్స్. Most schools have started digital classes in their schools for effective learning. Besides high schools, some upper primary and primary schools also have started digital classes.
Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker, his associate architect, is one of the most magnificent presidential palaces ever built. He has
ఒక స్టూడెంట్కి సంబంధించిన సమస్త సమాచారాన్ని వాళ్ళు పాఠశాలలో చేరిన రోజున కంప్యూటరీకరించి మొత్తం డిజిటలైజేషన్ చేసేసి తర్వాత ఒక్కొక్క సబ్జెక్ట్ వారీగా విషయాల వారీగా వాళ్ళు ఏ పాఠంలో
A special software has been developed and is used in school administration and student monitoring. Admissions and drops of students have been regularized by digitalization. Student attendance, examinations, marks, grading have also become more efficient through digitalization, enabling teachers to focus more on academics rather than desk work.
My name is Kayakir. I am studying first class. Now I am doing list of states and unions and their capitals. This is our Telangana. Telangana capital Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar.
Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalayas are playing a vital role in the field of education to
ఇక్కడ
reduce
ఉన్నటువంటి పిల్లలు కేజీబీవీలో చదివేటువంటి పిల్లలు చాలా ప్రతిభ కలిగిన వాళ్ళు. వాళ్ళని కొద్దిగా సానపడితే వజ్రంలా చాలా బాగా ఉంటారు.
gender inequalities in enrollment, especially in rural areas and among disadvantaged communities by ensuring quality education to girls. They are promoting girl-child education by reducing the significant gaps in the enrollment of girls at elementary and upper primary levels. There are 16 KGBV schools with an enrollment of 2,467 girl students in Siddipet district. KGBVs are providing boarding facilities including bedsheets, food, solar water heaters, purified drinking water, inverters, trunk boxes, etc. They are also providing free textbooks, notebooks, digital classes, labs, libraries, co-curricular and extracurricular activities.
భువనగిరిలో రాక్ క్లైంబింగ్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చారు. అందులో మేము 10 మెంబర్స్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేశారు. కిలిమంజరోకి వెళ్ళడం వల్ల నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది.
There are 26 Bhavita centers working in Siddipet district with an enrollment of 373 students with special needs. CWSN children are being provided special training under school readiness program in a non-residential mode. Supporting disabled friendly CWSN children. Constructing ramps with rails. Providing transport allowance to CWSN and escort allowance to guardians. Physiotherapy facilities are provided to the needy children. Performing cleft lip surgeries to the needy. Aids and appliances like hearing aids, crutches, wheelchairs, etc. to disabled children. Recruiting specially trained teachers and ayas. Promotion of cultural programs under extracurricular activities among students. In the recent district level Republic Day celebrations held at Siddipet, students from various government schools performed cultural programs extraordinarily well and received awards from the dignitaries.